Little boost there when I walked away, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, go away.
Need to fucking.
Don't even say a word, C's.
I need to leave my PC more often.
Mute C's.
Says it's the first time in 33 years that the NFL has increased their season. They're trying to make back that money.
Yeah, that's true. Also, no reason to have 4 fucking preseason games.
Yeah. VAC, Marriott Vacations, is ripping. Everything's ripping, dude. My scanners are going crazy for the first time in a while.
What they really should do is extend the season and create more bye weeks so that these guys have some fucking rest.
RCI ripping. My scanners are going ballistic right now.
All right, spies up.
Yeah, crazy. Fastest I've seen my scanners move in weeks.
Any
April
notable
meme.
names?
Plug, Marvel, RCL, CCL, CCIV.
Well, the shit coins, huh?
Yeah, JetBlue. A lot of travel stuff. XLY. Mara. Hey, Agar.
Did you say XBEV?
No. I did see Plug, though. A lot of the sectors are ripping. Lemonade's ripping. GM's ripping.
Holy fuck, look at Go EV.
Travel sector is on fire. Steel still running.
Stunk. Seriously. Bye.
What had 7 30-minute buy signals was did Spy did? Oh, it did, yeah.
Buy. Sell.
C's, please don't call a top today.
Yeah, quiet, buddy. Quiet. Shh.
You're banned from talking until 1.
One time.
Market's getting ready for April, I hope, man. April is statistically one of the best months of the year. Let's pray to that. You say one time C's, you fucking called the top yesterday too.
It dipped a little bit, but it never went all the way down.
Yeah, it went down and then it came back to where you called the top and it double topped and then fucking failed.
Look at where it finished yesterday.
Yeah, it had a strong close. You still called the top though.
Arc K had a good day today, huh?
Dude, ABBV looks ready to rock it. Needs to fill this gap. Lulu looked pretty good the other day, Limber. Let's take a look. Yeah, you have increasing value for 3 days. Looks like it wants to go into VWAP 330. A lot of resistance around like 321. You break 321, it probably goes to 330.
Yeah, check chat.
Lulu has earnings. Will they have earnings today or they already had them?
I think it's aftermarket today.
If they have earnings, then yeah. Flip
TCL doesn't look bad.
a coin. No, it doesn't. Looks good. I was looking at
Just
that
trying to
earlier.
reclaim that pivot.
Yeah. It bounced off the monthly VWAP to the fucking penny. You see that?
Yeah.
It took over Chip's posting to upcoming earnings responsibility.
I think CCL has earnings today too.
Oh yeah. Good call.
So Godspeed on that one. You had silver short cigars? I fucking wish I had silver shorts, Jesus. Thankfully, like I said, I've been holding silver for about 2 months, I think, somewhere around there. And I've only been holding UUP, which is the dollar, for a week. And I've already made 25% of my loss back just trading the dollar. So hopefully the dollar pays for my fucking silver position. It's really despicable how strong the dollar looks when we're announcing news of another stimulus. It's starting to pull back
GE
now,
looks
though.
good.
What does GE?
Yeah.
I like Trimble a lot, and it's in the new ARK ETF, TRMB. If it breaks this flat top that it's currently in,
What's the ticker?
TRMB, it's the #1 holding of her new ETF. If it breaks this flat top, it's gonna soar.
Look at XMR perp on the daily, Jamie.
Looks good.
Yeah, if you like steel agars, look at USCR, the one I mentioned to you in Discord. US Concrete. Their options are dog shit, but the stock looks really good. You've been gaining value for like the past like week and a half. And it looks like it's getting ready to go higher. X looks really good, Agars. I think it's going to play out our cup and handle. If you bought the bottom of the cup and handle, you literally bought the perfect entry. It's already up like 20%. This stimulus mucky is not really a stimulus. It's more like an infrastructure plan. But it's still a stimulus. It's stimulating the economy. U.S. Concrete and U.S. Steel should be running on the stimulus news.
What's concrete?
USCR. You just can't trade their options. Their options are dog shit.
Oh shit, converge CONV perp is a Sam coin. And by Sam coin I just mean he's invested in it.
That just came out today.
Yeah, it's a new token.
There's not much to say about GMG ICB because there's not much volume. But as long as you stay above the VWAPs around like 580 or 530, it should be pretty bullish. You also have a pivot at 610. So if you lose 610, that's your first warning sign. You got another pivot at $7, which would be a target.
Take a small long on it.
It's almost not a penny stock anymore. If it holds above $7, it's no longer a penny stock. Chad said, I think Trimble would be a great infrastructure play as well. We have it on pretty much every cat machine. What do they do, Chad? I know Kathy Wood just picked them up as her #1 holding for the space exploration ETF.
Satellites, I think.
Dude, Humana Healthcare looks fire.
It's a satellite thing, is that what you said?
You sure?
What looks fire?
Humana Healthcare, HUM.
The healthcare sector is on fire right now. That's why I was looking at ABBV. I also like Cigna. Cigna Corporation looks really good too.
Look at HUM.
Yep. I really like CVS. If the CVS monthly closes breaking out of this range finally, this could start a massive fucking like 10-year bull run.
When did you just market buy CONV?
Not me. Why did prices spike?
It just spiked a little bit.
What did you say it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're on stream, somebody probably bought it.
Smoochie, you taking UCLA?
Huh?
Are you taking not UCLA, USC?
Yeah, I took him at +10 the other day. I don't know what the line is.
Oh wow. You got a plus.
What's the line now?
Is +8.5.
Oh wow. It's risky though. It's hard betting against Gonzaga.
It's GPS satellite for tractors. That makes sense.
Technically, yeah, it's an agricultural company, but they do a lot.
Yeah, you guys would be amazed at how advanced farming stuff is nowadays.
Keep an eye on Fitbit. I'm sorry, not Fitbit. LUV, Southwest Airlines.
I love.
They use drones to plot out grades, and then the operators pretty much just have to steer. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I saw a video on Twitter that got popular a while back. This girl was showing off all the tools they use, like running a combine, and it was ridiculous. It's like extremely advanced nowadays.
Look at the rounded bottom on Penn. That thing's about to fucking fly.
I think when I was looking at Penn yesterday, it was hitting a weekly trend line.
Yeah, it bounced. I bought shares around 99.07 yesterday.
This is a reversal
Oh, no.
day. It's gaining value.
Not a
It's
weekly trend
holding,
line, a monthly VWAP.
Yeah, it's holding February's.
Yep.
Weekly 20-day or weekly 20 period.
Look at how nasty that downtrend is.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a reversal day. Nice value gain. Mucky said, I work at a winery and future of farming is something incredible. The weathering systems are top notch. Dude, these mice are dog shit. The Razer Death Adder Elites. I fucking bought one, and remember it had a broken mouse wheel for a long time, and I had to replace it. My mouse wheel in the second one is starting to do the same thing again. So if you guys,
I got the
if you
I got the
guys,
Viper Elite.
yeah, if you guys need mice, do not buy this one. Death Adder Elite. It feels good. The clicks are good. The mouse fits well in my hand, but the mouse wheel is dog shit. So if you have to use a mouse wheel, it goes bad very quickly. I like AT&T a lot too. If we see a break of this weekly downtrend, if you draw a trend line on AT&T on the daily or the weekly, we're breaking out of it. If you take bodies, if you don't take wicks, looks good. Looks like it wants to run into earnings. I really like the way Hey BBV reclaimed VWAP, and now we're putting a doji right on top of it.
Watch Macy's. It's bouncing off a volume shelf. And there's call flow on it today as well.
Bouncing on VWAP too. 2 monthly VWAPs below you. I can't believe Macy's recovered so strong. They're back at 17.
Oh wow, CCIB has been mooning all day today.
Yeah, the EVs had really good news. It just got even more good news like an hour ago. Biden said he's allocating 400 billion for EV credits.
Clean tech, which includes EV.
Yeah, yeah. Clean tech. What did that cope shit run to? I saw it went to like $1.30 or something not too long ago.
It went to like $1.50, I think.
That's ridiculous.
Wow, my day trading buying power went way the fuck down.
Tesla customers report being charged twice for vehicles. What the fuck?
Oof.
Whoa.
That's what
How was it?
Zero Hedge posted it, so take it with a grain of salt.
Wait, is Zero Hedge not like a legit?
He is, but he's a little out there sometimes.
Not unbiased.
I've never seen him post a story that wasn't true, but his stuff is a little outlandish sometimes.
What are you guys talking about?
Zero hedge. He just released an article about Tesla customers saying they were charged multiple times for the same vehicle. Like, oh, sorry, we just wiped out your account for like an extra $70,000. Sorry about that. How does Tesla do financing? Do they do it themselves?
Yeah, sometimes.
What the fuck? You guys see the APR on Cope if you're staking it? It's 2,500%.
Yikes. See, you still in Walgreens?
No. I got out a while back. Why?
I was just wondering.
I got out the first day it did after I made that huge run up.
You're still in ACTC, Bob? Jesus. Fucking thing's going for the gap fill and this man's still holding.
I just came up so fat. I hit on that 1 of 10 nifty.
Which one? One of the weirdos?
The one that was $2,500. There were only 10 of them.
Was it one of the weird anime dudes?
Yeah.
Nice.
Which one?
The King Woman Saint of Imagination.
Oh, Clueless wants that. Dude will buy it from you. Hit him up. Double the price.
CZR doesn't look bad. Check out CZR.
CZR, Caesar.
Yeah.
Yeah, the hotels and casinos are ripping. Big breakout volume coming in on Caesar. It's holding monthly VWAP too. Oh yeah, look at that monthly VWAP. That's clean.
If it reclaims that 4-hour pivot, send it. Momo looks good too.
Yeah, it's got a double 4-hour pivot that it's testing right now.
Maybe I'm being a little superstitious, but I've never traded Caesar.
You should see.
What is that double 4-hour pivot?
It's got a blue one and an orange one on the same level.
That's so strange.
Sees, what are you in right now?
Huh?
What trades are you in right now? You're in this
Uh,
Facebook play still, the short term one, the butterfly.
no, I closed that one. I still have a 22 called CCIV from like long time ago that I haven't gotten rid of. I still
It's
have
fucking ripping right now.
yeah, Oracle and Q's.
Did you see Twitter? That thing is like a textbook falling wedge right now.
Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Fill the gap too. What a nasty day on ES.
Yeah, I was a little bummed out yesterday. My wife got home from work at like 2 in the morning, and she's like, "What's wrong with you?" I'm like, "Fucking Arkansas lost." And then she's like, she looked at me, she rolled her eyes, and she said, "First world problems."
True.
Doesn't
You're out of the
understand.
bracket now, right?
Yeah,
That's where
yeah.
you went though, right?
I had Gonzaga, Arkansas at the final.
Yo, so do I automatically come in at least second place?
Probably.
What's the pot for first place?
After my cut, I think you guys get like $20.
Suck my balls. Well played.
Let me see.
I think I'm gonna take a long on Chewy.
No, C's can still somehow beat you. Or hold on.
He needs Arkansas to win the whole thing, doesn't he?
It says his max
No.
possible points is 790. You only have 700. But I think if part of your brackets are the same, then it countered his points, right? So
Yep.
yeah, I think it's basically set in stone that SR and U are first and second. And then third place,
What's
I
the
think
pot for first place?
it's like almost 1,000, I think. Does it say on here?
70% of 14.
1,400, yeah.
Or sorry. Yeah, 14.
It's 70% of 14 is like 1,000, right?
Yeah, 980.
I really like Chewy.
Chewy's an unbeatable brand.
Look at the trend line; it just pulled back too.
I don't think any competitor is going to try to fuck with them in that space for a while.
Oh yeah, when is earnings? CB, is it today? It says today on TradingView, but I don't trust it. I don't know how the fuck Chewy doesn't beat earnings.
They crushed it last time, right?
Yeah.
Didn't really move last earnings, looks like.
It went up a lot afterwards, so I'm guessing they were good. What's funny as hell is Amazon still has not moved, and they had one of the best earnings I've ever seen.
Yeah, dude. Like,
It's all because their Lord and Savior Bezos said he was going to step down.
yeah, dude. Why couldn't he save that for next earnings?
Dude, they're literally save it for a bad earnings. Like you're already going to go down.
Yeah, dude. Come on.
Their earnings were despicably good. Like it was disgusting.
It's disgusting.
It was absolutely disgusting. Like they should have went to all-time high easily.
I might take a long on Chewy here, dude. Like a fucking, like a May position. I can't look at that CB because it fucking I'm not signed in or I don't have an account.
If you're playing earnings though, you think are you doing that on purpose?
Yeah,
March 30th. It's
Maybe.
today. Yeah.
yeah, it's today after close. Dude, there's no way that they miss. No way.
Yeah, but that means it's gonna go down. Because every time a company has like obvious earnings, it goes
Thanks,
against
Steve.
it. The expected move on earnings is pretty big. It's about 7 to 9 points in either direction.
You had 2 of the final 4, Connor.
I went along this thing so bad.
Yeah.
If you're gonna play earnings, it wouldn't just be better just to play the Friday contracts. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but
Yeah,
any
right.
like even if it wasn't earnings, I'd want to take like a further out play. Like I love the bounce that it's putting in off this trend line. It's like a pretty fucking strong trend line too.
Yeah, but my point is like if you take May contracts and it misses earnings, you're not gonna make that money back. Unless it misses earnings and like barely goes down.
Yeah, look, it's breaking the daily pivot right now too. Like technicals line up with the fundamentals. Is there any call flow on foot? Is there any block trades on that thing today?
Let me see.
There's only one fucking call on Chewy today that
No,
came in.
no big size block trades. No, I don't see any.
I guess I'm gonna sit out. Guarantee it rips.
I mean, if you want to play it, I would try at least the Friday lottos.
Teleport to 88.
That's the expected move is 88. Just say fucking buy the 88s.
Big order just came in for PayPal for $1 million. Yeah, PayPal's another one that's had a massive fucking. Yeah, I'm taking along on PayPal. It's another one that's had a massive fucking strong trend line, dude.
They released more
Yeah.
news today about their Bitcoin checkout service.
Yeah.
I was looking at that yesterday, JMA.
It's in the queues though. That's what scares me.
Yeah, if I was playing a lotto on Chewy, I'd probably play the 85s or the 90s. '90s would be a complete lotto. 85s, you got somewhat of a chance.
Would you say you would play?
85s or 90s. The expected move is 88. So if you want to be inside the expected move, you go 85s. If you want to be like a little risky If they have like really fucking good earnings, you play the 90s for Friday or for Thursday. Friday's a holiday, remember, guys?
I might just wait after the earnings.
That's a smart way to play it. Literally, I've never fucking made money on earnings. Actually, one time we found that gym company that had the inverse head and shoulders, and we made money on that one barely.
Makes sense.
What was that?
CI.
Yeah, it was the one with. It was the one that had like the massive weekly inverse head and shoulders. Made like
NLS.
made like 100%. Something with an A.
Looks like crypto stocks are fucking pumping.
I think it was last year, so it's not going to show up in my year to date. Oh, ACI. Was it ACI?
This was January.
Yeah, I think it was ACI. Yeah, it was ACI. Look at that thing go, dude. It's still going. After it broke out of that inverse head and shoulders, look what it did. It came back to retest it, and it's fucking ripping. Now that's a textbook chart.
There's a lot of calls coming in for TJ Maxx for July.
I didn't even know they were public. What's their ticker?
TJ, I think that's TJ Maxx. TJX.
Yeah, it is, I think.
TJX companies is TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods.
Yeah, 716, 6750s.
My girlfriend loves that fucking place.
Tell my girlfriend. I hate going to those fucking stores like that.
Yeah.
Ross, dude, fucking makes me rage.
Yeah.
They all have that same smell.
I get all my gym clothes from TJ Maxx because I don't want to buy nice gym shit.
My sister works for Under Armour. She gets me 50% off everything.
Nice.
That's fire.
Under Armour's the best too. They're fucking really comfortable. Chewy high a day, Tesla high a day,
Nike better.
Caesar high a day.
Not gonna lie, Lululemon is the best.
I still haven't worn those. I didn't know they made men's shit until you guys told me.
Oh yeah, that's amazing.
I thought it was only a girl company.
I used to take clients out in the city, and when we would just give our clients gifts for their business, it was ridiculous. But there was a men's store right next to the women's store in Soho, and we would split up and go shopping. I would just give them gift cards, and we'd get trashed afterwards. They have amazing sweatpants.
Friday to Monday holiday. Luckily, I have a birthday party to attend. What do you mean Monday? Is Monday? Monday shouldn't be a holiday too. I don't think.
No. A lot of Twitter calls coming in. I think people are playing the breakout on Twitter or anticipating the breakout here.
Any stocks to look out for? Mainly infrastructure stuff and healthcare stuff. It looks really good right now. I like ABBV. I like TRMB. I like USCR. I like X. Do we think PLTR is overrated? Fuck, at this point, probably. Thing won't stop bleeding out, but I'm still in it. I still believe. You just gotta believe. Hey, tomorrow. Tomorrow is the third day after the full moon. Typically bullish. Just saying.
Biden talking about taxes tomorrow, though.
Oh yeah, that's true. Biden's talking about taxes, but he also is talking about the stimulus, so it's got a lot of conflicting signals.
That's true.
It's gonna be a choppy fucking day.
Well, the taxes are part of the stimulus. He's got to find a way to pay for it.
Yep.
That's true. That's true.
Man, this guy needs to just fucking chill.
Calm his tits.
He
His
should
tits.
just do it on like a Monday or something, or a Friday when the market's fucking dead. Don't do it
Just
on
not
a
do it at all.
Wednesday. Wednesdays are like the best days on the market.
Historically, yes.
DBV Technologies will make you rich. What is that?
Sounds like a scam.
I don't know, but I'm fading that guy.
Yeah.
It's not even on our oh yeah, it is DBVT. Looks like a scam.
What was the name of that company in Boiler Room?
JT Marlin.
No, the one that they were shilling about the needle.
Oh,
Something pharmaceuticals or something like that. I don't remember.
yeah.
ABBV just does not want to break out here. Oh god, I forgot about Calio, the big guy on Twitter. He fucking went heavy into Viacom before Viacom had that fucking liquidation event.
Oof.
He got massacred. He just tweeted, by the way, I forgot to say this was maybe the worst trade I've ever taken.
Yeah, Feral Tech.
Rest in
That's what it
peace,
was.
man.
Rest in peace.
Rest in peace. Check Argin. The chart looks good. Argin.
That's your general.
This is Repligen. Repligen Corp. It's bouncing off a daily pivot, but it could be a head and shoulders.
Damn, spot didn't like that level at all, huh?
What did C say?
I didn't say shit.
Look at Upwork. UPWK.
Mucky said they're creating Viaskin allergy immunities for peanuts, milk, and eggs. Who is? Oh, the DBV people. I
Here
gotcha.
come the big IWM puts.
Are they already coming in?
Yep.
Guy.
That's
416, 217, 1.2 million.
That's fucking early.
He's feeling good today.
Upworks bouncing off a pivot and a monthly VWAP.
Yeah, it looks good, right?
Yeah. The problem is every chart looks like this, where they're like the downtrends are fucking dirty. But if you were gonna knife catch, it would be like now.
I think their options are dog shit too.
Yeah, probably. Abby's losing, or AbV is losing VWAP. It's no bueno.
Hard to believe Chewy has bad earnings, but earnings doesn't matter anymore.
You guys are making me want to fucking short it. It's always what you don't expect.
I mean, even if it's good earnings, it'll still fucking crash. Doesn't care about our feelings. If anyone has T-Mobile, you can get a free MLB streaming subscription through them today.
It's pretty cool, actually. Like, if you're a baseball fan, that's a pretty serious promotion.
Their options are so bad.
Yeah, it's literally only today. So
Which
if
one?
anyone here is T-Mobile, then they can
Upwork.
do it.
Yeah.
You have to play June if you want fucking.
Oof. Look at the indexes.
Damn, that's 30. Nasty pullback.
It's the value area, man. Value area high and low has been selling it off every fucking time. It's a complete balanced day.
Jesus, what a shit candle. It's still going.
Yep.
Any fucking
Damn,
games
that was
like
green
these,
today,
man.
motherfucker.
Right? Neo did good, but it's stuck on that fucking pivot.
It's alright, as long as ES bounces around 39.41, it's just gonna keep doing this.
Well, this Marjorie Taylor Greene chick is just, she's off the wall.
I want a long Upwork, but it's part of the fucking queues, man.
She literally said, talking about a mask mandate, and she literally said, fascism, communism, call it whatever you want. Like, she doesn't realize that fascism and communism are two completely different things.
Who are you talking about?
Marjorie Taylor Greene, the QAnon congressman.
Yeah.
She was just saying that she was combining fascism and communism without realizing.
Fascism is extreme right, communism is extreme left.
Yeah, and like it just.
Yeah, a lot of people have that problem. I don't really know why, but it's totalitarianism, which covers all of them.
You can compare them, but they're two sides of the spectrum.
Yeah, absolutely.
They're all about control.
Yeah, that's all she's getting at, I think. But yeah, she definitely misspoke.
Deja, look at Upwork. Take an anchor VWAP from the gap up on November 4th. Look at that shit.
Are you guys watching?
Yeah,
the
lines
movie
up with
tonight?
a pivot.
What movie sees?
That's a clean chart, man. They just have bad options.
Godzilla vs. Kong comes out at midnight tonight.
Oh shit, I want to see that. I'm glad you mentioned
You can make the options better by taking a debit spread.
The $55 calls for June don't have that bad of a spread. $25 spread.
Yeah, those aren't horrible. They have earnings May 5th. So anything after May, you're going to be, or before May. Fuck, sorry. Anything after May 5th, you're going to be playing earnings. Yeah, the 55s for Junes aren't bad. They got good open
Yeah.
interest in June, too.
Yeah.
They're the only ones that have good open interest. They're getting decent volume today, too. Another 300 contracts. 27 delta, though, pretty low.
What's the can't see on this fucking on this app with the oh, never mind. See if I get filled at $2.
Smoochie, where'd you get that GIF?
It was just in the search.
Yeah, Huss, I've been watching it. It's pretty crazy because it goes deep, deep behind the scenes about how it all started and the people running the message boards, and it's pretty crazy.
Fucking ES and
Dude, look
Qs
at
are getting nuked.
wreck, dude.
That IWM put guy called the top. When you said he started taking puts, it was the top.
This is fucking so aggravating.
It's dirty.
Dude, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
Taking any positions, fuck that.
Dirty.
Whole
I didn't-
day gone.
I didn't say shit, so y'all can't blame me.
I know, right?
Fucking position.
Cash the fuck out.
Dude, this is getting ridiculous.
I'm actually green on the day, knock on wood, because of fucking couple things.
Yeah, I actually am, but I don't want to say anything because then tomorrow it'll just really get wrecked.
I'm green on the day from CCIV.
Dude, Q's is pissing me off. Just every time there's any hope.
Hey, hey, hey.
Johnny, tomorrow, 3 days after the full moon. Be prepared.
Oh man, I hope everything goes down so I can have the opportunity to buy on Monday. Please do, please do.
Ash, when you just lost a daily pivot on FUV, you also lost this VWAP. So it's not looking too good. But if you do
Yeah, so-
reclaim the VWAP around like 1360 or the pivot around 1480, it looks a lot better.
So last on Friday, I had 42 and a half Mara calls for 416. I got impatient and I sold for like practically nothing. Sold 2 contracts for like 226 each, $2.26 each. I'm like, bruh, right now worth like $5, $5.50 or something like that. Rip.
Big fucking rip, dude. Look at where we
Bro,
failed. If you take a trend line from the recent highs on the 15 minute, it's literally to the tick.
fucking
Look.
so disgusting.
Look at
Average down.
Ethereum. Look at Ethereum.
Ripping.
1860.
What time is it? 2 minutes left. It has not closed below the value area low all day long, so we wanted to get bought up here on the last 2 minutes. If it doesn't get bought up, not looking too good.
And it's gone. Oh, I spoke too soon.
And back above the value area.
At the right time.
Dude, sees his top tick Tommy, man. Look at that. Back above the value area. It has not closed below this all day. It's the short-term traders in control.
Can is pumping.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 6th wick below the value area. POCs the past 2 days are near identical, meaning we're just finding balance.
It keeps getting rejected. Look at the last, what is it, 3 days, 4 days? It's just balance.
Yeah.
Top end, bottom end, top end, bottom end.
Slightly
But you
bullish
know-
though, because we had a loss in value, retrace, bullish imbalance.
Look at this fucking. Look
Gain
at this
in
wick
value,
just getting bought up,
balance.
dude. Look at this fucking thing.
Yeah.
Look
I feel
at
like the
this
short-term
fucking
traders
thing.
are, you know.
This is disgusting.
Holy shit. Oh my God.
Perfect. It closed.
Disgusting.
It closed above the fucking value area high.
Wow.
Bruh, Tesla closed.
What?
I told you guys, dude. Value
was
area.
nasty.
That is
Holy
fucking
shit.
crazy.
That was nasty.
Value.
All right.
0.5% in fucking 2
JMA,
seconds.
you're gonna need a
Everything's got
fucking
crypto now.
Caesar
What the fuck?
tick indicator.
What?
We're gonna need a Caesar tick indicator, bottom and top. That was nuts. Seize.
That is the. I put it off. I was like, I don't even fucking want to see the close.
The moment I said,
And it's
the
gone.
moment I said, and it's gone. I was like, whoa.
Let's see if I made the right decision with
Jeez, I
Chewy.
called it, too.
Value, guys. Value.
We gotta close above this shit.
Yeah, this is the S&P 500. These are the futures.
Look at the
Dude, that's
daily.
crazy.
We've been just finding balance in that spike from the other day.
Yeah, it's good. Exactly what you want to do.
Yeah, long term. You just wanted to consolidate here for a few days before ripping up higher.
Bullish imbalance. Spike. Finding balance higher.
I feel like that's pretty bullish now.
As long as you stay above 39.30, this is bullish.
And we still haven't gotten. We're not. We haven't dropped into Friday's range. It's just been hanging out.
Yeah, and they might start talking April stimmies soon too.
Mucky, the reason why it's so choppy is this is what you call finding balance. The short-term traders are in control.
Is fucking pumping right now.
The scalpers and the day traders are in control. When you're finding balance like this, you're not supposed to trade if you're a swing trader or a long-term trader. If you're a scalper, you want to trade markets like this. Swing traders want to trade markets like this, where you're constantly finding value to the upside or the downside, right?
They're making money all day long.
Now I'm pissed. I sold. Why the fuck? Sold those April 1st 45s.
How did
for
ABBV
mine.
close? Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Man, this is a pretty good day for me.
All right, what has earnings today? We got CCL, we got Chewy. There's a couple of other ones, I think. What's today? Tuesday? Chewy. That's basically it. CCL's actually not even on the not even on that earnings thing. Maybe it doesn't have earnings today.
I think it does, but that's weird. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not on there.
I think this is the best day I've had in a couple weeks.
Perhaps it's not very anticipated. I mean, how could they even have any revenue whatsoever?
That's true. Did you take any of those Chewy Lottos, Jamie? I wonder if the 85s, what did they close at? 85s or the 90s? 85s closed at $2. The 90s closed at about 90 cents. We'll see how they do tomorrow. You got the 85 calls, SR? Good luck, man. Godspeed.
I'm pissed I sold those Mara calls.
Do they have earnings today?
They just announced first North American mining pool. And now after hours, it went from 44. No, it's almost at 46. Should have took some shares.
That was one nasty close, man.
It was weird.
Don't say this because I don't want to talk about it on stream, but this affects UCs.
Booyah! Wow. I don't know how I feel about that, to be honest. That's insane.
Whoa.
Right? Dude.
Trading
Wow.
View.
Wow.
Chewy's ripping. It's back down.
Trading View just freaked out. Showed like a candle all the way down to 42 on Mara and then pumped right back to 45.
Trading View's running, man. SR, if this holds steady for you, you're going to fucking make a nice gain. I don't think they've released earnings yet. This is just anticipation.
Holy shit, Chewy.
Yo, Deja, that thing just sold for 11 grand.
What, did you sell it?
Yeah, I sold it.
Jesus Christ. What'd you pay for it?
25.
Oh my god.
Fucking good, dude.
Yeah, good job, dude.
It might honestly end up being like a $20,000 piece, but it is what it is.
Yeah, fuck, you made like 3x in an hour. That's where I would fucking suck at art, is like, I'd buy something for like 1,000, I'd sell it for like 4,000. Like, oh, I made $3,000. Then it goes for 20,000. It's like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Like, how do you
Like, the
value
way
this shit?
The way you look at it is you try and see like what's going on. So there were 3 other botters, and I was like baiting their prices down, and I saw that they sold around like 6 or 7 grand. So once I got them out of the picture, I was able to raise my price to like the actual floor. Because those guys just want a quick flip.
How did you get them away? You bought their pieces?
No. I kept on lowering my piece, and then they would keep on undercutting me. And once they made it where I thought it was like low enough, I moved my price up, so they sold.
I gotcha.
I love doing that to people. I fucking love that game.
Wait, say that again?
He's lowering his price so they keep undercutting him lower and lower and lower. And then he's like, fuck you guys, and raises his price again so their pieces get bought up.
Yeah, because when people are buying stuff on Nifty or whatever, they want to see a gap between the floor and the next price. So if you are dropping it to 7 and someone lowers it to like 6.5, if you increase it to 10, someone's going to buy that 6.5 piece because they think the next price.
They think they're getting a deal.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's how you bait people to sell.
Oh, I used to do the same thing when I used to sell T-shirts and stuff. I had somebody when I used to sell on eBay and on Etsy. I had somebody that would sell similar pieces to mine, but not exactly the same. And it's like when I would lower my prices, they would lower it by like $1. And finally, it got ridiculous. They were selling like the shirts for like $10, and I was like, "Fuck you guys, I'm done with this." And I put it back to my normal price of 20, and I started selling more.
People figure your t-shirt was better.
Yeah.
They're like, a $10
Yeah, but-
t-shirt's probably a piece of shit. Prestige pricing.
Who we beat?
Hopefully JMA took one of those lottos. I didn't want to talk about that position. Looks like the 85 lottos are going to pay, but if you took the 90 ones, they might pay right away, but you want to get out of those. Because even though you were right on earnings, they're too far away.
You can't sell them until tomorrow morning, though, right?
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like they should, if it opens around 85, even though the 90s are still far away, you should still get paid. Initially, you just do not want to hold them. SR, I would, man. I don't play earnings because I lose every fucking earnings. But if you play earnings and you win, I wouldn't even take the risk, dude. I would just take that profit and run. Like, you just took a massive gamble and you hit. Like, why would you hold on to it, you know what I mean? But alright, guys, I gotta get out of here. You guys have a good one. I will be streaming tomorrow, same time as always, 3 p.m. Eastern. I'm not gonna be home today, so the analysis is gonna be pretty late. But I did find some new names that I like, so I'm gonna add some new names to our watch list. So watch out for that, probably around 11:30ish. I'll post some analysis on these new ones. And then we'll look at the indexes, obviously. But alright, guys, you guys have a good one. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.